90s classic at Unique, especially in classics. A model we get in from time to time, but boy, not always as nice as this one. 1996 Chevrolet Impala SS, two-owner car, clean Carfax, no accidents, 9,289 miles on the odometer right now. The black exterior, gray interior, of course, the LT1 5.7 liter power underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Take a look at this front fascia, grille. As you can imagine, paint shows very nice on this one. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You're gonna be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right to our website where all the pictures are. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct Impala SS wheels. Appear to be original tires, and I always mention that. Yes, I know, age, so old, tire police. We just mentioned that in case the next person likes to collect it and have the original tires on the car. And if not, if the next person wants to drive it, they know they can replace the tires. Take a look up and down this passenger side. You can see really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, what you'd expect with this kind of miles. The interior, 96, with the bucket seats, center console shift, and also stock in the interior. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. We're also going to take this car for a quick drive, show you how it goes down the road. I think we know how that's all going to turn out. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Same thing on the rear bumper as far as paint conditions. Lots of times they got scratched on the top of that fascia, maybe something going in and out of the trunk. You can see great shine, nice reflection. No surprises. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking through the still pictures. Be over 100 pictures of this car online. If you like these mid-90s cars, or maybe you like late model horsepower, maybe you like muscle cars or pickups, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. Give you a little idea. Next one's going to be a black car with gray interior. I do. How about a Grand National? So some very cool cars coming through here, and they are for sale. When you see them, the video being done, they are for sale on our website and or showroom floor if you make it to see us in person. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Of course, power seats, both sides, your modern amenities, power windows, power locks, mirrors. This does have the original key fob, working order, Impala SS floor mats, and you can see hardly anywhere whatsoever seating surfaces. Let's take a peek at this rear seat. Unlock the door. Take a peek at the rear seat. Carpeting. Doesn't look like it's hardly ever been sat in back here. Comfortable cars, and do they drive out nice down the highway, rear wheel drive. Tilt column, cruise control, AM, FM, CD, and this one I believe it was. Yes, it is. Top of the dash, good shape, no cracks, deterioration, anything like that. There's those exact miles, 9289. It's gonna have a few more on there, because like I said, we're gonna take this for a quick drive, show you how it goes down the road. Stereo in working order, as well as power antenna. Show you going back down if I turn the stereo off. Headliner, good shape. Slip around to the back so you hear it run. I've not noticed any modifications really on this car. Appearing very stock. Sounds as it should. And again, 5.7 liter LT1 power. Let me pause this 1 second. I want to get this hood open. And let's check out that engine bay. There's the underside of the hood, hood liner. Looks like new. This car's not been driven in any sort of inclement weather, that's obvious. And then look at how clean this engine bay is. Just nice and original. Sounds good, looks good underneath there. Wow. Again, what you'd expect. 1996 Chevrolet Impala SS, 2-owner, low mile, no accident car. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1996 Chevrolet Impala SS. How do you say it? Impala? Impala? I think they're both correct. Our turn signal indicator is working. This is an automatic on the center console. Very nice acceleration. Reminiscent of the police cars from the era. This being a sports sedan. Handles nicely, powered by a powerful engine. Haul your whole family around. Low mile car, 9,298 miles as I'm driving right now. All our gauges appear to be working well. Radio is working well. Very nice leather bucket seats surrounding that center console with an automatic shifter. Quiet ride. Nice smooth ride. Corners well. These always handle nice and tight in the corners. Doesn't lean much at all. And when you put your foot down, you can feel it. Very nice power out of this Impala. Smooth ride. Doesn't pull to either side, letting go of the wheel. Beautiful black paint. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.